Dryer making some unfamiliar sounds? No worries. Some sounds are perfectly normal with your Electrolux dryer. These are the common sounds you may hear. For steam models, water valve. During operation, there may be a clicking sound as the valve opens and closes to control the water flow. Suspension rollers. At times, there may be a thumping or rolling sound when the dryer starts. This happens if the dryer has not been in use for a while or there is a heavy load in the drum. The sound should go away as the dryer operates and the flat spots smooth out. Airflow system. There may be some sounds associated with air moving throughout the dryer, such as the air duct and exhaust system. This is normal and can vary with the load size and type. For gas models, gas valve. During operation, there may be a clicking sound as the valve opens and closes to control the gas flow. Gas burner. When the burner is operating, there may be sounds generated as the airflow mixes with the gas flame. This sound is perfectly normal. Experiencing other types of noises? There could be an easy fix. Check belt buckles and other fasteners on clothing that may cause rattling or clanking sounds. Tip: fasten or remove these items or turn your clothing inside out to reduce sounds. Check the pockets for little laundry surprises. Loose objects such as coins in the dryer drum can certainly cause some unwelcomed noise. If you don't find anything and the sounds continue, try running an empty load to see if the sound persists. This will allow you to determine if the sound is coming from the dryer or an article of clothing. Seeking more information? Check out your owner's manual, visit us online, or call us.